Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about my topic of statistics, which is acceptance sampling. First of all, I'm going to start telling you what acceptance sampling means. Acceptance sampling is a statistical measure used in quality control. It allows a company to determine the quality of a batch of products by selecting a specified number of testing. The quality of this design sample will be viewed as the quality level for the entire group of products that you have. Just as a measure of quality control, acceptance sampling inspects a small number of available products in order to infer the quality of all other units produced. This is the sampling part, where a small number of units are randomly selected from the population of available units. If the sample units are acceptable, then the whole batch is accepted. Just as a company cannot always test every one of its products, there may be too many to inspect at a reasonable cost or within a reasonable time frame. Just to give you like an idea or an image. This is the single sample acceptance sampling procedure, in which companies use the sample acceptance sampling to find the quality control in their products. Just like in this slide, it says like inspector test and pieces. So in other words, if you just think about it, like if you have a product, if that product is defective, they're gonna send it back to the company for them to rectify it or to detail the lot by 100% and make an inspection before they can ship the lot. If it's not defective, of course, they're going to ship the lot and ship as fast as possible to get the better income from that product. It's, in simple words, it's literally like finding the best possible products in the fastest time possible. Also, one and many uses and functions about acceptance sampling is that when done correctly, acceptance sampling is effective for quality control and many other uh, pieces of work in the company. While it was developed during World War II as a quick fix for manufacturing, acceptance sampling shouldn't permanently replace more systemic acceptance quality control methods. Coming to the next slide, we also have an example about acceptance sampling in a company in which they use different methods. The simplest method that involves testing a single unit at random per X units produced is sometimes called an NC plan. The acceptance is evaluated based on the number of defective units found in the sample size. Other methods involve multiple sampling, which relies on several such NC evaluations. Therefore, it should only be used in cases where so many products are made that it's impractical or unfeasible to test a large percent of units. Thank you very much for you listening, and here is the reference from which I got my data. Thank you very much.